Hey baddies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yana. If you are new here, then welcome. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today's video, as y'all can tell, is going to be a tutorial on this long, jumbo, extended 30-inch bougie ass, long ass, extra ass braid. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I'm starting off with freshly washed and conditioned hair. I'm just going to go ahead and moisturize my hair with this Shea Moisture curl enhancing cream stuff, which is just going to add some moisture to my hair. And I'm just going to rub that all throughout my hair, mostly on the perimeter. And then I'm just going to brush that product through my hair with a wig brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and do a little length check, because it's been like a year and some months since I did my big chop. And my hair is growing, honey, period. Like, period. Need I say more? Now I'm going in with the Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel. This is my favorite gel ever. I'm just going to take a good, decent amount and just go ahead and basically saturate my hair in this gel. I use a lot of it and I just go ham with the gel. Now right here, I'm just going ahead and brushing the gel throughout my hair and just making sure like each of my hair strands is pretty coated in the gel, and just making sure the product is evenly distributed all throughout my head. All right, so I do start off by creating an initial ponytail. This is not going to be my final ponytail. This is just to kind of like help me, you know, get everything molded and get the feel of like how high I want it and stuff like that, while I get it really like slick and sleek, and yeah, further sleek my hair. So I'm just adding in more gel, mainly focusing it on all the like little flyaways and just trying to get it like really sleek. And this is not my final ponytail, like I just said. I'm gonna redo it, take it out, and just get it really sleek. So yeah, y'all are gonna see me doing a lot of gel adding and a lot of sleeking, but that's just gonna be how you get your ponytail to be extra sleek. Now I'm just going in with a hard bristle brush, you know, the ones you can get from the beauty supply store. And I'm just gonna like brush through my hair and just further smooth it down. Using this brush, this type of brush is really gonna like flatten out your hairs, any flyaways, and just get it super sleek. So I definitely recommend to use a hard bristle brush. Now I'm just going ahead and taking out that ponytail holder, and I'm going to just redo my ponytail, just regather everything really tightly, and just make sure my ponytail is super tight. Well, not super tight, because we still want to have our edges, but you know what I mean. Just make sure it's tight enough to where you can handle it, and yeah, no hair is falling out. So I'm just gathering up everything. My head looked like a egg. I got an egg head for real. Okay, anyway, let me get back to the tutorial and stop talking. Now I'm taking a silk scarf and I'm just tightly tying that around my edges. And I'm just going to go ahead and brush through my natural hair and just make sure it's really like detangled, because I'm going to go ahead and start adding the braiding hair in. Okay, curls, come through then. Like, curls for the girls. But on a serious note, my curls was showing out today. Like, they was showing out. So I just had to admire that. I'm going to take the pre-stretched braiding hair, 54 inches. It was $3 at my beauty supply store. I do have 2 packs of these. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all how I got 2 packs. So when you first open the pack of braiding hair, it comes like this. It comes with a rubber band tied right in the middle of it. So I'm just going to leave it just like that, not do anything with it, and just take that rubber band and tie it around my natural hair ponytail, if that makes sense. I'm just taking that rubber band and tying it around my ponytail, like my real hair. Now that I have the braiding hair attached to my ponytail, I'm just going to separate a little piece and just tuck it behind my ear. This is going to be the piece that I use to like wrap around the band of my ponytail, so that you can't see, like, so you can't see the, like, you know what I'm trying to say. Basically, this is an invisible ponytail method. So yeah, just gonna separate that, comb through my hair, and just get ready to separate my natural hair into 3 pieces and separate the braiding hair into 3 pieces and just start braiding. So yeah, hopefully y'all get an idea and can see everything I'm doing. So yeah, I'm just gonna start braiding. All right, and I do add gel onto my natural hair just to further like blend in my natural hair with the braiding hair, because as you can tell, my natural hair is super curly, the braiding hair is kinky. But once you add gel, it's gonna like really blend, and yeah, you're not even gonna be able to tell. So just add gel and just smooth it out and get to braiding. When you are doing the braid, make sure you're doing your braids super tight. Try not to like let go, and just keep smoothing as you go. But the main importance of what I'm trying to say right here is just make sure your braid is super tight, because you don't want your real hair to be like popping out everywhere. So just keep it really tight, really taut while you're braiding. So I'm just taking that ponytail holder and I'm going to tie up the end of the braid where I ended, just to make sure it doesn't like unravel and stuff, because I'm going to go ahead and add in some more hair. And this is where I'm going to start feeding in the hair. And when you feed in the hair, this is going to create a longer braid and a longer look, which is what I'm going for. So I'm just separating, I'm opening up my second pack of hair and I'm just separating it into medium-sized pieces, I guess you can call it. I'm just hanging them up just so they don't get like mixed up and tangled, and I'm just gonna begin adding that into my hair. This is like my second time ever like feeding in hair, so I'm sorry, I don't know how to really like explain it, but I'm just gonna take a piece of hair that I went ahead and separated and just add it into like one of the pieces of hair. I'm so sorry, I do not know how to explain it, but just try to watch it. I'm just gonna stop talking because I do not want to confuse y'all. I'm just adding in the hair, that's all I'm doing, and just braiding it in and just making it all like, all come together. So the amount of hair that you feed in is going to determine the length of the braid. If you do not want your braid as long as mine, do not, you know, add as much hair as I did. If you want your braid shorter than mine, then add less hair. Like, you do not got to be like me. Just do you, boo. Okay, so remember that piece that we had tucked behind our ear? This is going to be the time where we're going to take some gel, brush or comb through it, and just wrap it around the base of the ponytail. And each time I wrap, I just brush through it again, add a little bit more gel, and just make sure it's really smooth. Yeah, and just create a smooth, shiny band. So what I'm doing is just bobby pinning that piece down, and what I'm doing right here is I'm just separating the braid and just making it more like, because you know how I did it like very tight, I'm just making it more like fluffy, a little bit bigger, because I am going for that jumbo braid look. So I'm just like separating the braids. And this is the final look, y'all. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of makeup on and show y'all how I look when your girl is all put together. Like, I'm feeling this. This is a good winter protective style. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope y'all try it out. Yes, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what y'all think, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.